Alright, just a quick one here. Now before I proceed, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It's very important. Smash the subscribe button. Do that now. Just click on it. That subscribe button, click on it and turn on the notification bell. It's very, very important. Now today we're going to be looking at how to transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet within your Binance account. Now I'm using the Binance app. Okay, so this is my account. This is the home page. The view or the page you are looking at right now is the home page. Okay, so now what we'll do next is we're going to click on wallet. Wallet is located at the bottom at the bottom of your right hand, or the bottom right hand side. Okay, so you just click on wallet. You click on wallet. Let me see if I can move this. You click on wallet. At the bottom right hand side, you see wallet over there. You click on it. Now let me show you my futures wallet. This futures wallet. Okay, let me show you. This futures. This is the spot wallet page. All right, so this is futures. This one here at the top, can you see it? I will click on it. So you can see my futures wallet is 0. The balance for my futures wallet under the USDM is 0. Okay, so there's no dollar there. So let's go back to our spot wallet. Good. Now I want to transfer. You can transfer the total USDT you have in your spot wallet to your futures, or you can transfer a fraction of it to your futures. Now I just want to transfer, for the purpose of this video, I just want to transfer $5 from my spot wallet to my futures wallet. Okay, $5 from the spot to the futures. So all I will do is I will click on transfer, this transfer button here. Okay, now look at this place that says funding. All right, there's a tiny icon beside it. You have to look closely to see it. That tiny icon beside funding, at the right hand side of funding, okay, beside it, just click on the tiny icon. All right, so then of all these options here, you have to select USDM futures. You select this one. Okay, you select that one. All right, good. So next, we are transferring USDT, right? USDT, not BTC, but what is showing here is BTC. So what you have to do is you click on this tiny icon here too. Okay, click on that tiny icon and type in USDT. Just type in USDT. When it pops up, you select it, you click on it. In my own case, it's already showing. Okay, see it here, so I will just click on it. All right, now you can choose to transfer the whole amount you have in your spot wallet. If you want to do that, just click on this button that says mass, which is maximum. Okay, when you click on mass, all right, let me do that. It means I want to transfer the whole amount in my spot to my futures, the total USDT I have in my spot to my futures. All right, but that's not what I want to do. I just want to transfer $5, so I will just type in $5. All right, $5. Next, you click on the yellow button which says confirm transfer. You click on it. All right, now remember when I started, I said I clicked on the futures button. I clicked on my futures button, which is this one at the top right hand side, and when we got there, we saw that the balance there is 0, right? Now I have done transfer of $5 from my spot to my future. So let's go back and click on futures, on the futures tab. Okay, as you can see, we now have $5, right? Before now, when we started, it was showing 0, right? So we have $5 now, so it means the transfer was successful. Okay, so with this $5 now, I can now start trading futures. If I want to start trading futures, all I will need to do is I will click on this button at the bottom that says futures. Can you see this button at the bottom that says futures? I will just click on it like this. Okay, then I'll select my pairs. okay, that I want to trade. I will select it, but that's not what we are looking at today. Do you understand? So now let's say you've made some profit in your futures trading, all right, and if you've made some profit, it will show up here, total unrealized PNL. PNL means profit and loss, okay? So if you're making profit, it will show here, okay? If you're also making losses, it will also show here. Do you understand? So let's say you've made profit of $5, for example, okay? For example, let's say you've made profit of $5. It will show up here that I just circled, I just indicated with red, okay? It will show up there. And let's say you want to transfer that $5 to the $5 profit you've made from trading already. The trading is still ongoing, but you have $5 there. Or let's just say you have $10 that you've made as profit, but you just want to transfer $5 from that $10 back to your spot, okay? All you just need to do is you just click on this transfer button here, all right? You click on it, okay? Then it says you are transferring from spot to futures, which is not what we want to do now at this point. What we want to do now at this point is we want to transfer from our futures balance back to spot. Do you understand? So what you do is you click on this exchange button here, this tiny icon. It means exchange, okay? Just click on it, this tiny yellow icon here. Click on it. When you click on it, we switch. The spot will come below and the futures will come at the top. So let me click on it. Can you see that? So it means you are transferring from your futures to your spot. You understand? So it is already in USDT, so we don't need to change anything here. So all I just need to do is I will type in that amount I want to transfer back to spot from my futures. Let's say, like I said, we have made $10 profit, okay? And I just want to transfer $5 from that $10 profit back to my spot. I'll just type in $5. I'll just type in $5, right? Next, you click on the yellow button which says confirm transfer. I will just click on it. Can you see it? Transfer successful. So as you can see now, our futures balance is 0. Okay, it's 0. It was 5 here before when we did the first transfer. It's now 0. So this is how you transfer. Let's say you've made some profit, which is showing here. Your profit shows here. If you've made profit or you are making losses, any of them, it will show here. Now if you've made profit of $5, it will show here. Then you can transfer to spot. Do you understand? Now that's it. So let's go back to our spot. Let's go back to our spot wallet, which is here at the top. You just click on spot. All right, so you can see now. So the total, we have gotten back our total. Do you understand? We've gotten back our total. So that's how you make transfers. Okay, you transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet if you want to trade futures. If you want to trade futures, that's how you transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Now let's say you want to make use of P2P, peer-to-peer trading. You want to cash certain amounts of certain coins that you have. Let's say you have USDT in my own case now, and I want to cash it I want to use P2P to withdraw to my bank, okay, or to transfer to my bank. All I will need to do is I will click on this transfer button, okay, just click on it. Then we are moving funds from our spot to funding. In this case now, if you want to transfer money, if you want to withdraw money via P2P to your bank account, if you want to withdraw money via P2P to your bank account, it will be from spot to funding. Do you understand? Now next, change this BTC to USDT because what I have is USDT. So you just select USDT, okay? Now let's say I just want to pull out $5 to my bank account via P2P. I will just type in $5, all right, and I will click on confirm transfer. Can you see that? So next, I will click on the funding button, which is this one. When I click on it, you will see that the $5 will be there waiting for me, which is, see the $5 here. All right, Next, I will click on this button here that says P2P. Can you see it? I will click on this button that says P2P. So I'll just click on P2P. Alright. Next, I'm selling, of course. I'm not buying, I'm selling because I want to exchange my dollar to my local currency via P2P. Next, I will click on sell, this sell button here. Can you see the sell button? I'll click on it. Why? Making sure that the other button is under USDT, because the currency I have, the crypto I have is USDT, not BTC, not any other one, is USDT. So now it is under buy, but I will move it to sell by clicking on the sell button, okay, while maintaining the other button in USDT. Do you understand? Yeah, it's very important. So I'll just click on the sell button, okay. Now it says payment method. This payment method, just click on it, and I will select bank transfer, this option here. All right, this option, just select bank transfer and click on confirm. Then amount, $5 in naira, Nigerian currency is about 5 times 7 is 30, is 35. Okay, so let us say minimum of 35. So for amount, I will just type in 35. All right, and I will click on confirm. Do you understand? Now it didn't show me ads, which means of all the merchants in this P2P that are trading USDT, all right, none of them have the amount 35. Okay, so let me just say what I have is 4,000 naira. I mean, what I need is 4,000. Okay, so I have dollar equivalent of 4,000. All right, or I have USDT equivalent of 4,000. So when I change it to 4,000, all the merchants came up. Do you understand? So all I would just need to do at this point is to look out for whoever that matches, I mean that meets the criteria. Okay, now the criteria are the person must have the verified check mark, which is this tiny yellow check mark here. Okay, that's one. There are about 3 criteria here. So the merchant we're going to deal with here must have this tiny yellow check mark, which is 1. Okay, so you look out for these criteria. Now the second criteria is their trading completion, or their percentage rating. The percentage rating must be from 95% upward. Anything below 95% is kind of risky. Let me just put it that way. For me, I look at from 95% upwards. So like this guy here, this merchant here, this one is 99%, 99.7%, 99.9%, 96. So I can deal with any of them. Okay, I can transact with any of them. Do you understand? Now the third thing you look out for is the number of trades each of these merchants have completed. Now if you look at this Z Exchange has completed 6,651 trades. 6,651 trades. Can you see it? FS Beast has completed 2,398 trades. Can you see it? Sunny FX has completed 2,147 trades. All right, so these are the 3 criteria you look hard for, okay, when dealing with these merchants. First, they must have the verified check mark, this yellow check mark, verified check mark. It means they are verified merchant. Okay. Secondly, their percentage, their trading percentage, okay, their trade percentage must be from 95% upwards. Do you understand? These are what I use, the factors I look out for. All right. Thirdly is the number of trades they have completed or transacted in the P2P platform. All right, must be high. Let me say, for me, I look out for 5,000 upwards. Do you understand? So of these 3 guys, these 3 guys happen to be at the top. Do you understand? So of these 3 guys, the person that meets my criteria now is the second guy, which is this one. is the second merchant, which is this guy here, Z Exchange. Do you understand? Z Exchange, because he has completed 6,651 trades, so I can deal with this one now. Do you understand? So all I will just need to do is I'll click on sell, this sell button here for Z Exchange. I'll just click on this sell button here. Do you understand? I'll just click on sell. Okay. All right, so at this point what you do next is you just click on all, because I want to transfer all. Do you understand? I'll just click on all. Okay, and the amount is not up to, okay, but I'm just for the purpose of this video, I'll just click on all. All right, and I'll click on sell with 0 fee. I'll just click on this button. Next is to click on this button. When you click on this button, then you select your bank here. Do you understand? Once you select your bank you want to transfer the money to, you click on this button. You click on all first. Secondly, you select your bank from here. Okay, you click on all. Secondly, you select your bank. Then thirdly, you click on this button that says sell with 0 fee. Do you understand? So from there the person will drop you a message, like drop your phone number or something. Then he or she will transfer the money to your bank account that is being shown to him or her. All right, so when you receive the money into your bank account, then you can now click on confirm. You will release the money, you release the USDT from your own end. Okay, do you understand? Because the USDT will be kept under the Binance escrow. So once he releases the funds and you have received it, do you understand, then you just click on confirm, and the funds, you get a verification code to your phone number, then you release the funds. Do you understand? He will receive it. Do you get the point? So this is how you do the P2P aspect. Do you get the point? So in our next video we'll talk more. We are still focusing on Binance for now, so we'll talk more. So like I said from the beginning, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you haven't done that, you can do that now. Just smash that subscribe button, smash it, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. These are very important so that you will stay notified as we keep releasing and publishing more videos moving forward. See you in the next video.